Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error with Windows Movie Maker. So if you have some error with Windows Movie Maker, you can also try to uninstall this program. So how you can do it, just go here to search tab and just write control panel. Here you can see it, just open it. So after it open, just choose here programs and features. Here you can see line programs and features, and here you choose Windows Movie Maker. Just right click on it and choose uninstall. So after you uninstall, you can also download and find the latest version of Movie Maker to your computer, and I hope that it will work. It will help you. Also, you can try to restart your computer or go to your file manager. Go to file manager and just in search, let's write Windows Movie Maker. So let's go to our system disk, program files, Windows Media Player, Movie Maker. So here you can see in program files program.microsoft Windows Start menu. Here you can see our program Windows Movie Maker. So just right click on it and choose properties, and here you also can check your info. So just you can also choose here run this program in compatibility mode 4 and choose here your Windows version. Also you can check here your file location and some details. So but I also hope that if you uninstall your program and reinstall it and restart your computer, it will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.